Laboratory coagulation is the controlled process of destabilizing the milk proteins known as caseins to form a solid gel called curd and a liquid whey. This is a simulation of the first step in cheese making and a model for studying enzyme kinetics. Milk coagulation studies can be used to determine quality and purity of milk. The ability of milk to coagulate properly is a direct indicator of its quality. Milk adulterated with water, antibiotics, or neutralizing agents will not coagulate properly or at all. Milk from cows with mastitis, that is, udder infection, has a high somatic cell count, which impairs rennet coagulation, leading to a soft, poor-quality curd. This is a key test in the dairy industry. Impact of heat treatment. Ultra-high temperature processing denatures the proteins to such an extent that they cannot coagulate with rennet. A coagulation test can verify if milk has been properly pasteurized without being overprocessed. Acid coagulation. Principle: lowering the pH of milk to its isoelectric point, pH approximately 4.6. At this point, the negatively charged casein micelles lose their repulsion, clump together, and precipitate out of solution. Procedure: heat the milk gently to about 30 to 35 degrees centigrade. Slowly add the acid while stirring gently. Observe the formation of white, fluffy curds and a clear greenish-yellow whey. Once separation is complete, filter through cheesecloth to separate curds from whey. Enzymatic coagulation principle. Using a proteolytic enzyme to specifically cleave a peptide bond in kappa-casein, the protein that stabilizes the casein micelle. This removes the micelle's hairy layer, causing them to aggregate in the presence of calcium ions. Procedure: standardize the milk to 32 to 35 degrees centigrade, the optimal temperature for rennet activity. Add a few drops of diluted rennet solution and stir gently for 30 seconds. Let the milk sit completely undisturbed for 30 to 60 minutes. Observe the formation of a firm, uniform gel. A clean break test can be done by inserting a clean finger or knife at an angle. If the split is clean, coagulation is complete. Heat and acid combination coagulation. Principle: applying high heat denatures the whey proteins, lactoglobulins, and acid then helps coagulate them along with the caseins. This increases yield. Procedure: heat milk to near boiling, 85 to 90 degrees centigrade. Add acid while stirring. The curds will form almost instantly and are more firm. Now it's your turn. Try this experiment at home and post your results in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel